Hey everybody, it's Cody with Ryonet. In our previous video, we introduced you to the new visual inventory management system. If you haven't seen it yet, I would encourage you to press pause right now. You can find a link here or in the description below. If you keep going, it could get a little confusing. Now that you've watched the introduction video, we can apply those learned principles to our darkroom. Ryonet's visual inventory management system is effective because it alerts you and your team to your critical inventory needs. The foundation for this double minimum system is you stock twice the amount of needed inventory for your designated trigger time, ensuring that you have optimal production. Now let's take a peek and see how we can use this here in the darkroom. You will want to install or designate 2 shelves for the supplies in your darkroom. Here, we are going to use 2 shelves in one of our storage cabinets. Label the top shelf secondary and the bottom shelf primary. This double minimum system works for any of your supplies, but for this video, we're going to focus on scrub pads, cryo prep, cryo coat, screen integrator, and screen emulsion stripper. The least amount of supplies needed for a designated trigger time of 1 week is as follows: 3 scrub pads, 2 quarts of cryo prep, 1 gallon of cryo coat, 1 quart of integrator, and 1 quart emulsion stripper. Place these on your primary shelf. Now, in order to make this visual system really work, what we need to do is load our secondary shelf with all the remaining supplies directly above their counterparts for easy visual recognition. A good idea is to have your supplies lined up in the order that you would use them in your darkroom. When it's time to use your supplies, such as the cryo coat, just remove it from your primary shelf. Go about your day. When you're done with that bad boy, you make sure it gets back on that primary shelf in its designated spot. When the product is empty, move the spare from the secondary shelf to the primary shelf. You will want to do this for each of your darkroom supplies as you use them up. When you have hit your designated trigger time, take a visual audit of your secondary shelf to see what supplies are missing. Here we see that our secondary shelf is out of almost everything. Keep in mind that when reordering, you should have about 20% of product left in your remaining container on your primary shelf when your reorder arrives at the door. This means you need to consider reordering at the 30 to 40% mark, taking into consideration your workload and product delivery time. Once you have figured out what you need to order, open up your Ryonet Quick Order app or head over to screenprinting.com to easily place the order. Implementing this visual inventory management system means that you will always be stocked with the inventory that you need, ensuring that you're not scrambling for those supplies at the last minute or having to even pay for expedited shipping. Stay tuned for more videos on how to apply this visual inventory management system to other areas of your shop. In the description below, you're going to find a link to download the darkroom specific infographic detailing this process. I encourage you to print it out and actually hang it on your walls. Thank you for watching. Please follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great screen printing videos.